Hi, today I will tell to you a story about my laptop. So here it is. So let's stop here. In short, temperatures of my processor was up to 100 degrees, so I can grill meat like here, but I can't. So I decided to put myself together and try to fix, not to crash, to fix. It was like experiment for me, so let's begin. First step, disassembly. For this step I use screwdriver, magnet and card. And first my laptop part was SSD. It's a place where your PC keeps your data. Second part was RAM. RAM is a place where your PC keep information which you need to use quickly. After using screwdriver, I used card for taking off the cover, and make sure that you turned off the battery after taking off the cover of laptop, because and here I'm taking off the CPU fan or cooling system. The system is responsible for cooling your PC. This system was dirty, so behind the scene I wash it by brush. Here I'm cleaning the graphic chip or GPU. And here I'm cleaning the CPU or central processor. And here I'm use the thermal paste. Thermal paste is a material which you can use, and it can be used for improving the heat coupling between different components. In my case, it's GPU and CPU. Here I'm installing back the cooling system.
Two hours later.
So let's test it. First game will be Stray. And in this game we have 64 degrees on my GPU and CPU and stable 50 FPS. And second game will be Need for Speed Most Wanted, and in this game we had 80 degrees on my GPU and CPU and stable 60 FPS. I think we got nice results, so thank you for your attention.